everyone, this is Jyotisman and you are watching Trox YouTube channel. So in this video, I will be showing you 5 tips to make your YouTube channel look more attractive. So without any further description, let's begin. So first thing first, after creating your own YouTube channel, you should upload a channel logo. The logo should be attractive and different from the rest. It should express your channel immediately once seen, which in turn brings more strangers to your channel and they may subscribe to it. So if you want to know how to create a professional channel logo, then stay tuned to my channel. I will publish the video on it soon. Similarly, next you should upload an interesting and attractive channel art to your YouTube channel. Channel art shows as a banner at the top of your YouTube page. You can use it to brand your channel's identity and give your page a unique look and feel. So if you want to know how to create an attractive and professional channel art, stay tuned to my channel. Also, I will be publishing some free YouTube banner templates along with that video, which I will be publishing soon. Now once your channel logo and channel art are ready to be displayed, move to the about section of your YouTube channel. Now this is what most of the YouTubers don't give importance to. The about section of your channel is actually very important. This is what people will see at first along with the channel logo and name when a channel comes in the search results. Particularly the first 3 places of your about tab is displayed. So it's better if you create an awesome, attractive, interesting and short description of your channel. Now that you have your YouTube channel looking good, it's time to start organizing your content, so it's easy to find both for viewers and for search engines. Playlists are an essential part of any YouTube strategy. Create playlists based on your videos and add them into it. Edit an interesting description of the playlist in the playlist description box. Now that you have set up all the things and upload videos to your channel, start thinking ways to organize your contents in your channel home screen for both new visitors and returning subscribers so that it's easy for them to go through your channel. This creates a satisfaction among the visitors and they may subscribe to your channel. So these were the 5 golden tips to make your channel look more attractive and interesting. That's all in this video. Hit the like button if the video was helpful for you and share the video to help others also who are struggling in growing their channel. I'm aiming for 40 likes, which I know you awesome people will help me reach it. And if you got any questions regarding the video, don't forget to ask it in the comment section below. Also, I would love to hear from you whether you like my videos or not. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe to my channel. I bring you daily interesting and awesome videos. Thank you. Peace out.